Hey, today I want to talk about how you can have A2P verification done for your brand. First of all, what is A2P and why is it needed? A2P is application to person. So whenever you're using a CRM, which is an application, and you want to send a text message to a person mobile phone, that is application to person. So you can send text messages from your CRM, but there needs to be some compliance and regulations and verification around it so that you don't send out spam messages. So that's the reason why we have A2P compliance that needs to be done. So if you're using a CRM like NurtureBEAST or GoHighLevel, you want to scroll down to the settings and go into phone numbers. And inside of phone numbers, you can either manage numbers and you can start with, Trust Center, where you can have your brand verified and your campaign verified. One of the first things that you want to take care of when you are getting A2P verified, you want to make sure that your business profile information with the business physical address, legal name, everything is exactly as it is on your EIN document that your IRS has provided to you. And once you have your business profile information updated, head over to phone numbers and go to Trust Center. And from here, you can start your A2P verification. So you click on Start Registering Now, and you talk about is this business entity you're registering located in US or Canada. If you are a business entity in Canada, and if you're not sending out text messages to US, you don't need A2P verification. You only need A2P verification for text messages that you're sending out to the US numbers. So you pick whatever is relevant for you and pick on if you have a business which is registered, and if you have an EIN number, do that. If you don't have a business number, you can register yourself as a sole proprietor and you use your social security number, and you have certain limitations in terms of what numbers can you purchase and how many numbers you can purchase. So let's say you are a business and you have EIN and you're based in US and you hit continue. So here you will have the business information that you already have. You can either pull in directly from that or you can go in and enter all this information. So when you update your business profile information, that automatically gets pulled in here, and you can just verify all the information and click continue. Because I don't have the information verified here, I'm not able to click continue. So just for this demonstration purposes, I'm going to go back and I'm going to select myself as a sole proprietor so that I can continue on the next steps for you guys. So go ahead and enter your business name with your first name or last name, hit continue, and enter your business address, hit continue. And then if you have any authorized representatives, it can be yourself or an authorized rep, go ahead and enter their name, test and test, enter their email, test@gmail.com, 888-888-8888. Job position can be, let's say, director, and hit continue. So now you have the business details entered. Now you want to work on the brand details. So with sole proprietor, you can only get one number and EIN is not required. So I lied initially. You don't need an SSN apparently. So you don't need EIN, you don't need SSN. You only need one phone number. So, and then you click acknowledge. So there is a small charge, a one-time charge. So you also have limitations in terms of how many messages you can send per day and delivery rate and all of that. You'll not have these limitations if you do with the EIN. Okay, hit continue, enter your brand name, the same thing. Lead Inc. Business industry, select your business industry, phone number 888-888-888, continue. So we use the campaign details to communicate how are we going to use the text messaging services inside of the CRM. So there are some use cases here. You can see some examples. You can pull from some of these examples and use those here. You also have sample messages that you can use and send it out, and click on the next steps. Let's see, I'll take an example of copy, paste, copy, paste, select. So all of these are only for demonstration purposes, you guys. I want to make sure that you understand that these are very important and these are laws and regulations that you have to follow. Make sure you abide by those. And this is only for demonstration purposes. And then you hit continue. You also have to have user consent. How do leads and contacts consent to receive your messages? So this is the same thing that you see on your landing pages that you create for the users. When you have a form, they fill out their name, email, phone number, and there's a checkbox that they select. So what exactly are they consenting to when they're clicking that checkbox? There are a couple of examples. You can use this and the opt-in message. Cool. And then you hit submit. So once you hit submit, everything is taken care of. This landing page is the landing page that you will be replacing with the landing page of yours that they will go in and verify. I want to show you how that landing page looks like. A landing page basically has your information and your contact information, your email, and the landing page form where you are essentially collecting the details from your leads. It has the first name, last name, phone number, and email, and also has a consent message where they say, I agree to terms and conditions and privacy policy provided by your company, and by providing your phone number, you agree to receive text messages from Joe Robinson Company. I understand SMS opt-in. I understand I can SMS opt-out at any point by responding to stop. And you want to make sure you have the terms and conditions and privacy policy updated also. The verbiage here is important, so is the information here, and so are the terms and conditions and privacy policy. I want to show you what the terms and conditions look like. You want to make sure you can get the terms and conditions either from your broker or website. This is just an example that basically adheres by the guidelines of the terms and how you use the data, how you use the data that you collect from your users. Once you have this landing page enabled, once you have the campaign set up, once you hit submit, I'm not going to hit submit here, but once you hit submit, you'll have your A2P registration approved. And this has worked for us 100% of the time without any fail. If you have any questions, let us know. We are happy to help you, and have a wonderful day.